What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Synapse, also known as SYN, which has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just below 55 cents. And as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours it has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to head towards the dollar mark over the coming weeks, or is it going to simply crash back down in value? Over the week, as you guys can see, it was dropping a little bit in value from about 42 cents. It did take a little dip to down 36 cents, and right now has taken a major pump. It did hit 60 cents earlier on the day, however has taken a little bit of a dip, and over the month it is just about 22% up. So not just Synapse, but the crypto market is up today, with majority of the cryptos hitting the green side. But today's focus is on this crypto, looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it? And essentially looking at how high can it go in 2024, and can it give you a decent amount of return on investment? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we can see here the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Synapse, which is here in purple at just over 45 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 54 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line was going in a bullish direction. However, it has started to flatten out. So according to the graph, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Synapse over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. Reason for that is the drop that's been taking place over the last couple of hours, and in fact I am also expecting an overall minimal drop in value. Reason for that is it's pumped up quite a bit, meaning it is kind of overvalued right now, so it is due for a little bit of a step back in value. So by the end of the day today, I'm expecting it to drop down to just around below 50 cents in value. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up higher, heading over 60 cents over the coming hours, before it slowly and steadily starts to drop back down in value later on this evening, potentially dropping down just below 50 cents is what my expectations are. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are once again, well, the blue line has flattened out. It is going in a straight line, and the orange line is looking very bullish, going in a positive direction and looking quite steep as well, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last couple of hours, or last 24 hours even. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid to end of next week. However, that is once again not realistic, guys. So what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days is the crypto to have taken a little bit of a step back once again, down to about 45 to 50 cents, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting Synapse to be trading at. But again, do expect green and red days. It's going to be up and down, and it is going to be quite volatile, but at the moment the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, guys, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Synapse over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So in this case, we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well. Well, the blue line is looking steep and the orange line is not as much. So yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from the crypto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Late February, early March 2024, I am expecting Synapse to be heading over the 75 cents target, potentially hitting about 80 to 85 cents. And yes, it does have the potential to hit the dollar mark by the end of end of March, early April. It does have the potential to hit the dollar mark depending on how the crypto market performs, as I am expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the positive direction for most of this year. So the dollar market is just around the corner for Synapse, unless we go for a major crash or a major bull run, anything that can have a major impact on the value of not just Synapse but the crypto market in general. I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going into the Fibonacci scale here, we can see we are still trading in the red zone. However, to hit the green zone, we need to hit $1.04, which I'm expecting Synapse to be hitting over the next couple of months. And yes, once it hits $1.04, it is likely to resist and then drop back down into the red zone. But in the second half of the year, I'm expecting it to break out into the green zone, heading over about $1.50 by the end of the year. But again, these are my predictions as of right now, and you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. If there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $44 million in trading, guys, which is a huge percentage increase in trading. 24 hours ago, the trading volume was about $4 million, and right now it is at 44 million, which is a major increase. And yes, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So of course, it is going to get a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. There's a lot more activity, not just on Synapse, but the crypto market in general, as there are a lot of cryptos that are pumping today. But again, do be careful when investing into it, because they have their own risks as well. And whenever the crypto market goes for a major increase, it is likely to go for a price correction, well, a minimal price correction after that as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Synapse, guys. Comment down below, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.